Hey, my name's Blue, and this is Maintenance Matters, where a Weld County garage technician walks us through a routine maintenance issue and breaks it down for those of us who don't speak car. Today, I'm joined with Corey, and we're gonna talk about an oil change. Okay, and what happens if I don't get my oil changed soon enough? Will my car explode on me?
Probably not blow up, but you definitely can have some engine problems happen.
All right, are you ready to show us how it's done?
Yeah, let's go.
Hair flip, you know? And power. You got this. Nobody changes oil like Corey Kenworthy changes oil.
That's right.